to do affiliate marketing without making any videos. So on this channel, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing, and with YouTube, I actually do quite a few of affiliate marketing reviews for upcoming products and things like that in order to generate commissions. Now, YouTube isn't the only way that I have success with affiliate marketing. I just prefer to do it just because it's a great way for me to just to get content out there that I know people are already searching for, and it's a simpler way for me to convey my message, to let people know about affiliate marketing, what it can do for them, the benefits of it, and things like that. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can actually get around this. Maybe you have you've seen a lot of people talk about affiliate marketing on YouTube, and you just don't want to go that route. You just have a complete fear of making videos, or maybe you just don't want to make videos, period. Well, there are multiple ways that you can actually have success, generate commissions every single day with affiliate marketing without having to create videos for YouTube. So that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. I'm going to share with you the tools that you'll need, what the actual method is, and then also a few examples, so that way you can get a general idea of how you can do this strategy and how you can start leveraging it inside of your affiliate marketing business so you can have success. Also, make sure you stay until the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video step by step, but if you want to learn how to do this without having to take hours trying to set everything up, and then also even spending more money on the tools that I'm going to share with you in this video, I'm going to share with you something that I am currently using in my business that has all the tools, everything that you need to get set up and do this strategy in about 2 hours if you're brand new to affiliate marketing. So make sure you stay until the end of this video. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And as you are watching the video, if you have any questions about anything that I cover, make sure you leave a comment below. And also, if this is your first time watching this channel, let me know where in the world you're watching from by leaving a comment below, guys. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me share with you what you need to start to have success with affiliate marketing without making videos. So the strategy that I want to share with you is called email marketing. So with email marketing, what we are doing is we are collecting a lot of emails, and with those emails, we're going to present them an offer that we are promoting, and then we're going to send them series of follow-up emails over time, providing more value. What I mean by value is providing more information, maybe about affiliate marketing, maybe about working from home, whatever your niche is. And then also you want to offer additional products through these emails that you will be sending. So the tools you will need in order to make this happen is, one, you need a landing page software. So for the ones that I use, I put that information in the description below this video. But you can use LeadPages, you can use Clickfunnels. I think there's another one called Funnels or something like that. You need landing page software so that way you can make a simple page where you are collecting emails. And I will show you an example of one of the ones that I'm using. And then as you can see here, once somebody submits their email, you can take them directly to an offer. Now, there's a variation of how you can actually set this up, but this is a very basic way so you can kind of understand what I'm talking about. So with the offer, this is whatever it is that you're promoting. So maybe you went to clickbank.com, maybe you went to warriorplus.com, jvzoo.com. Those are free affiliate networks that you can join, and you can find offers to promote, products to promote. So this is where you want to take them. So once you get their email address and they click submit, it's going to take them to the offer. Now, when they click on submit after getting their email, they're going to start, after entering their email, they're going to start to get a series of emails, as you can see here. So you're going to get email 1, email 2, email 3, and so on and so forth. And you just want to keep emailing those leads over and over again, because most people won't buy something right off the bat. So if you were just to show your offer flat out to somebody, they probably won't buy it right then, because only 2% of people actually purchase something the first time they see something. So this is why we want to create an email list, so that way we can keep sending them a series of emails. We start to warm up to our list. They start to get used to getting emails from us. They're getting used to seeing our name showing up in their email inbox and things like that. And over time, they can actually start purchasing things from you. Now, this is something that Russell Brunson has talked about inside of his .com secrets, how you always wanted to generate your own traffic. And the best way that he also mentions for generating your own traffic is creating an email list. You want to have your own email list because you could just send out an email blast to thousands of people in a few minutes, and you can generate sales without having to post on social media, without having to run paid ads or anything like that. So that's why this is what we're going to talk about in this video, is about email marketing. So right now we're looking at an email opt-in page. So you want to make sure that your page is this simple. You don't want to make an effort in trying to sell them on this page, because if you do, they won't submit their email address in to try to find out more information. The offer that you're providing is going to send people to it's basically a sales page, and they have already taken out the effort, spent thousands of dollars probably to hire copywriters in order to write the offer for the product that you're promoting. So do not go above and beyond that. Keep it very simple. The whole goal is for this page is to collect the email address. That's all we want to do on this page. We don't want to do anything else than that. So you want to make sure that you just create a simple email opt-in page like this, and you want to leave some curiosity, because when you do, it's going to make that person want to submit their email address in order to see the offer. So the offer for this particular one that I'm actually showing you guys is for a simple affiliate system where you can just make $100 per day. So if somebody submits their email address here and they click on start to make money today, then it will actually take them to the actual offer, so that way they can learn about the offer, and if they want to move forward with it, they can go ahead and click the buy button on that page and purchase. Now if they don't buy that product right then and there, they're still on our email list. So through a series of emails that we will send out every day or every other day or something like that, we will continue to tell them about this particular product. So for me, I actually send out emails showing my results. I show results of people who are actually having success. And then I also just provide more value and information. So hey, if you want to learn how to use videos to make more money online, let me just share with you this quick video on how you can do that. So it'll just be simple information like that, where I'm just sending them some things that's going to educate them a little bit further about working from home. And then every now and then I'm going to put a sales email in there like, hey, are you still interested in making $100 per day from your computer? Click on this button. So they can click on it and they can come back to the offer, and then they may be interested in the offer the second or third time they actually see it. And then they'll probably purchase it at a later date. But at the same time, again, we're still building up an email list, and then again, we can always continue offering different products. It doesn't have to be this product. It could be a product that I find on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, or just another affiliate product that I can promote to this list and possibly generate sales. Maybe they like that the other offer that I'm promoting instead of this initial offer that they actually submitted their email address for. So hopefully that kind of makes sense, but that's how you're going to be able to do this. Now, once you have this page set up, your goal, again, as an affiliate marketer, is to get as many eyeballs as possible to this page. So the next thing that you need, or the next tool that you'll need pretty much, is traffic. And you can generate traffic from multiple ways, all right? So I want to share with you a few examples where you can generate traffic. And then also, if you want to know my top 6 traffic sources that I'm using in my business, underneath this video and the description below, I have included a link that will show you my top 6 traffic sources that you can go ahead and get that information and learn about the other traffic sources that I'm using. Right now, we're looking at Aweber. So this is the back office of my Aweber account. And one of the tools that you need, just how I mentioned earlier, is your email autoresponder. So when people are submitting their email address to your opt-in page right here, you need a place to house all of these emails. So that's where your email autoresponder comes into place. And this is a place that's going to house all of those emails. Now, when you want to send out an email blast, meaning like if you sent 1,000 people over to your email opt-in page, and let's say 900 people submitted their email address, and you want to email those people, instead of sending out an individual email to 900 people, you can create one email here, and it will blast out to all those 900 people within minutes. That's why you need an email autoresponder, okay? So that's why it's going to be really vital for you to have this inside of your business. You can use Aweber, and you can also use get response. And any site that I mention in this video, I will put that information in the description below this video. So I use Aweber. It's really cheap to get started with. And as you guys can see here, I have all these emails. So when somebody submits their email address into the offer that I am promoting, they're going to get these series of emails on automation. I've already created, like these emails have already been created. I just put them inside of my Aweber, and then every day they're just going to get an email over the next 80 days for this particular offer, providing them with more information, teaching them something, and then also selling something as well. Okay? So and that's all I have to do. And this is what you want to do with email marketing. So this way you can earn money almost every single day with this strategy. The more people that you actually build up your email list with, the more emails that you collect, you increase the likelihood of you're going to get more sales. And again, because they're just going to be receiving emails from you every single day talking about affiliate marketing, how to earn money from home, or just selling you a different offer. So one of the strategies that I'm going to share with you on how you can actually get traffic so you can send a lot of people to that one-page email opt-in, one place is Facebook. So Facebook marketing, I have done several videos on this channel about Facebook marketing, but there's several ways that you can actually leverage Facebook, including free strategies, in order to get a lot of people to your one-page website for the email opt-in. So you can use your personal profile, you can use Facebook groups, just like how I have my own Facebook group here. You can also get traffic from some of these other Facebook groups like work from home groups and things like that. You can also do messenger ads. You can also do paid advertising or anything like that. There's so many ways that you can actually leverage Facebook, so that way you can start generating a lot of traffic, getting a lot of people to visit your website to submit their email address for more information. So now this next one is Pinterest marketing. I've also done a few videos on this channel about how to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. And you don't even have to have a blog or a full-on website. You can still send people from Pinterest by creating pins and then sending them to your one-page email opt-in form. So again, you can leverage Pinterest, and Pinterest is free. Now they also have Pinterest ads, but if you're on a tight budget or if you're on a shoestring budget, leverage the free strategies on Pinterest, so that way you can start getting more people to your affiliate link that'll actually visit that page and submit their email address. Now we're looking at Craigslist. So Craigslist, don't sleep on Craigslist. It's pretty much a classified ad site, but they're global for one, and then second, like I showed in a previous video, they actually generate over 450 million monthly visits every month, guys. Every month. So there's tons of traffic that comes over here. Now with the Craigslist strategy, they do have to actually place an ad, you do have to pay like at least $5. Some of them they actually charge more if you're going to be posting your ad in larger cities. And then there's also a few areas on here where you can post for free. I use this website, and what I do is I typically end up using some of the paid ads in order to promote whatever business I'm promoting, especially for affiliate marketing. So do not sleep on Craigslist. You can come over here and again start posting ads. What you want to do is you want to start in your city and your surrounding cities, and then you start growing out from there. But that's a great strategy for you to go ahead and get started with. So now we're looking at Udemy. And on this website, this is where you can actually you can actually purchase solo ads. So what a solo ad is basically these vendors have created email lists, just like I'm sharing with you in this video, and they nurture those email lists by providing value, sending offers in particular niches, primarily make money online niche and things that you can actually find on ClickBank or whatever else on this website. So what you can do is basically you could pay to have a ad or email ad pretty much sent to their email list, and that's how you can start to generate traffic from a targeted audience of people. So if you're in affiliate marketing, you're in the make money online niche. If you're in the make money online niche, you can purchase basically an email ad, and you'll have a targeted group of people coming to visit your website who want to know more about making money online. Now this website is classifiedads.com. There are several online classified sites where you can actually post an ad for free. Now I showed you guys Craigslist, which is also a classified ad site. They do paid and free, free postings over there. With classifiedads.com, you can post over here for free, and you could post up to 20 ads over here. This particular website, classifyads.com, gets 2 million monthly visitors every single month. So there are a lot of people who visit this website in order to look for jobs, to look for business opportunities, and to look for everything else that you can see on the screen. So you can definitely come over here and start promoting your affiliate marketing offer, your primary business, whatever it is. You can come to this website and do that. And again, there are many online classified sites that you can visit just to post ads for free, so that way you can get more traffic to your offers. And that, in a nutshell, is email marketing. What you want to do is you want to send as many people as possible to your one-page website that's going to collect emails, and then once people have submitted their email address, they're automatically going to be on your email list. What you want to do is you want to send out emails every single day or every other day through your email autoresponder, teaching people things and presenting more offers for them to purchase from. That's the name of the game. And then also choose one or two of the traffic sources that I shared with you, or just one or two traffic sources, period, and send as much traffic as possible to your page, so that way people can see it and submit their email address. You want to keep sending as much traffic as possible, so that way you can build a large email list over time, so that way they can get more exposed to your emails and more products that you're going to offer on the back end. Now, if you want my top 6 traffic sources, I'm going to include that information below in the description below. Now, if you want to know how I'm actually doing this same exact strategy, but you don't want to go through all the painstaking time to actually set everything up, well, with this system that I'm using, everything is already set up for you. All you would need to do is just personalize your system. The email opt-in page has already been created for you. They have already found the products for you. The emails that I just shared with you, there's an 80-day email sequence. They already have those written out for you, and you can just insert those into your email autoresponder within just a few minutes, and you already have those emails set up for you. Everything is already set up for you, and they also provide you traffic sources. So if that interests you, go underneath this video and go ahead and click on that link that's going to talk about my #1 way to make money online, and that way you can have this entire system set up for you without having to do it on your own. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I shared with you how you can do affiliate marketing without making videos, simply by doing email marketing. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about anything that I shared, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, I have a Facebook group. Join my Facebook group, ask some of your questions there. And then also, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.